Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see some best Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals for Mac users. If you have recently bought a Mac computer and looking for some ways to save money while buying some productivity and useful applications, then this episode will definitely be helpful. Do check the applications that I'm going to share with you today. If you find any of them useful or something that meets your requirement, then you can save from 20% to 50% or even up to 80%. Just happens once in a year. Normally these software developers don't release offers frequently, so I have handpicked them and I'm going to suggest to you that ranges from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android, WhatsApp chat transfer software, a complete PDF editor, a professional and advanced video editing softwares, VPN services that gives you huge value and huge savings during this Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals time, and a cloud storage that will help you to store photos and videos without worrying about any monthly subscription fees, as it is a lifetime cloud storage option. All right, without any delay, let's dive into the first application, which is Dr. Phone WhatsApp transfer, available for both Mac computer and Windows, but right now I'm suggesting you the Mac version. If you want the Windows version, I'll leave a link to that also in the description. You can choose based on your requirement. In a separate video tutorial that I have already published in our channel, I have demonstrated step by step how to do the WhatsApp chat transfer from Android to iPhone without losing any data. I'll leave a link to that in the description if you want it. If you want the tutorial, if you want to do the migration either from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android, that tutorial will definitely be helpful. So in that video, I have also mentioned that Windows version only works and Mac version had some problem. But after recent updates, one of my audience actually confirmed that the Mac version is working very smooth, just like Windows version, and he don't have to get the refund because they also provide you refund option for 7 days. So you don't have to worry about buying the wrong version. If you get the Mac version, if it is not working for you, you can write to them, to the Wondershare support team, and they will be always quick to reply, and they will refund your money so that you can get the Windows version and get the transfer process done. So this definitely an useful application that you can save if you want to migrate between these two mobile operating system platforms and want to make this WhatsApp chat transfer process a lot easier. So consider this, and in their website it is still showing the full MRP price. Even at the checkout, I'm not able to see the discount price. So if you are not seeing it, then I'll leave a link to that takes you to the exact discount applied page so that you can save 50% from what you are actually seeing here. So here the $29.95 actually discounted with $14.98, and the final price you will be paying is $17.66 or even less than that, depending on your country's taxation. This is definitely a worthy software, and it comes as 1-year license. That is important. You should know the lifetime license costs actually $10 extra, and when I click on buy now, I'm not able to see any discounts, as I said before. So do check the link below in the description to get discounts on the 1-year license. For lifetime, you have to pay the full price. And the next application, that old Mac computers, to boost its performance, even we have a separate video review published in our channel. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Right now you can get 30% discount on MacPass Clean My Mac software and all the other softwares that they have in their store. For one computer, the discount is kind of less. They always have that save up to, so it is applicable for 5 Mac computers. So in such cases, if there is a possibility, if you have a friends and family members who also owns Mac computer, the important tip is you can share and buy it to save something more. 5 Mac computers, $79.95, 5% when they share is less than what you pay for one individual license. So you may consider that option while purchasing Clean My Mac, but make sure you're sharing the license with trusted people so they don't try to activate in multiple Mac computers. That is very, very important. So this is the second application that I normally recommend for computers from MacBook Pro 2012 model or 2013-14 models, older Mac computers, especially if you want to clean up all the temporary files, cache files, in a complete automated way, and to boost the internet performance and disk performance, then this software is definitely a recommended one, and it is worth getting during this Black Friday offer, especially the 5 Max version. And the next software is Wondershare's PDF Element 5. So PDF Element is an all-in-one PDF editor for your Mac computer. If you want to edit any PDF, create any PDF or annotate, you can can do everything with this PDF Element 5. If you have more works related to PDF and documents, then this application is worth getting. Here you can see you can fill out forms, you can annotate, you can convert PDF to different file formats and so on. They have different sets of plans. For individuals, if you're going for the PDF Element Pro version, it comes around $10. Previously it was $19, so it's a flat $9 discount, and it is a monthly plan, which you have to be very careful while purchasing. If you want a lifetime license, you can select the perpetual license. The same PDF Element 5 will be working in your Mac computer without any problem. The important thing that you should know is the perpetual license means you will get only important updates specific to that version, not the future upgrades. For example, the PDF Element 6 or 7, you won't be getting that. So the $159 license version is right now at $30 discount. You can get it for $130. So if you have the requirement for an all-in-one PDF editor, then you can consider this software. It is available for both Windows and Mac. You have to be careful while purchasing. Otherwise, you can write to their support to refund the amount, and then you can buy the version that is compatible for your operating system. And the next one is a complete, easy to use video editor that is used by so many YouTubers and video creators in the web, which is the Filmora. There are two versions. One is Filmora and Filmora Pro. The Pro version is more like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere, kind of more customization, giving the options have been built with that particular Pro version. But the Filmora 10 or the Filmora version that you can buy under $100, more like user friendly. The filters, transitions and everything, simply you can drag and drop to create your beautiful videos, short films, so many things you can do with this video editor. Here you can see the features. They do provide motion tracking for the graphic elements that you put in the video timeline, and then keyframing is there. Chroma key option is also there. You can do some color grading, with the built-in tools available. The 4K editing support is also there, so you can export up to 4K as well, and you can also do some audio editing. And this Filmora and Filmora Pro is very well optimized for M1 Mac computers as well, so you don't have to worry about any compatibility. It works smooth on the latest Macs as well. So right now the offer for this Filmora, the offer is for annual plan they are giving $30.99 as the final price. It was $51.99, so almost $20 savings when you go for annual subscription fee. If you want the lifetime, unfortunately there are no discounts. It's flat $80, and the perpetual means that you will get all the necessary updates within this version, not the future upgrades. Like Filmora 11 or 12 comes out, you won't be getting that major update. And one more important thing is Wondershare currently running discounts up to 80% on various software titles they have on their stores. So make sure to check the link in the description. It will take you to the discount page, and then you can decide which software you need and to save during this Black Friday sale. And the next software I'm so excited about is TechSmith Camtasia. We also have a detailed tutorial published in our channel, and I have explained who is this software for, so make sure to check that. So this software discount is right now not available. They haven't released any discounts for Black Friday, but they are going to release 25% discount for Cyber Monday. So just a couple days more, and then you can save 25% if you need a professional video editing software that is kind of easy to do the drag and drop and everything. And important thing is I recommend this software mostly for a beginner YouTubers and people who have the requirement of recording their screen and performing the video editing and do everything with less learning curve. So this is one important software, and people like teachers, educators, mentors who want to do more knowledge sharing, to do the screen recording and editing from their computer, they can consider this particular Camtasia software. I'm right now recording this video using the Camtasia, and the next one is another professional video editing software is ScreenFlow. This one comes around like $149 as the store price, but right now under Black Friday discount we have 20% offer, so you can buy this one for $120. This definitely happens once a year. Even for the TechSmith Camtasia, they do that once a year. There is a bit learning curve with ScreenFlow. For basic video editing, you don't have to learn much. You don't have to spend time in learning the tools and everything. But ScreenFlow has a lot of potential. It is almost like 80 to 90% closer to Final Cut Pro. It has that much features integrated into it. from chroma key to, keyframe and color grading, and so many things you can do with ScreenFlow. So if you need such a professional video editing software, you can consider between these two after exploring these features, and you can use the 20% discount on these video editing software. And for Camtasia, it is going to be, a little expensive than ScreenFlow. It is actually $250 approximately, and for ScreenFlow it is, the MRP itself $150. So that is that difference is there. You need to make sure to check the difference in the price and then the discounts, and then you can decide. If you're looking for a long-term VPN service account that has servers, in many parts of the world, then I personally use Pure VPN for so many years for Netflix and Hulu streaming. So this is definitely a suitable VPN for streaming as well as for casual browsing. So if you're conscious about your privacy and if you want to use a VPN, then you can consider the Pure VPN. Right now they have around 88% offer, which comes around like $1.19 for 5-year tariff. If you don't want that much long tariff, VPN tariff for your usage, you may consider their 1-year or 2-year plans as well, and you can still save more than 80% with their plans purchase. So you may consider that. And the next popular one is Proton VPN. These guys, don't run any discounts that easily. So right now they have 50% offer on 2-year plan. They don't have any tariff more than 2 years. This is quite premium, and I strongly recommend you to consider the Proton VPN. I've been using Proton VPN for game streaming purposes, to unlock some blocked or banned game in my country, and it was working wonderful. So for the past 6 months it was working excellent without any downtime, very rarely higher ping value related issues, but whenever I send an email to them, they quickly respond and try to fix whatever the problem happens after collecting the diagnosis data from a device. So this is quite a worthy option for if you are planning for a premium VPN. So annual plan brings you 40% savings, and their 2-year plan brings you the 50% savings. So this is kind of one of the best tariff to choose if you're planning for a VPN. And the final one is pCloud. If you're planning for a cloud storage option, where you want to save huge while storing all your photos and video files without worrying about any subscription fees that you have to pay every month, then this definitely one of the best offer. These guys are there for more than 4 to 5 years in the market, and they are doing very good because there are so many cloud alternatives, but we cannot be sure like when they are going to shut down. So that is very, very important when we choose a cloud storage to store our photos, videos and files. If they disappear, then all our files will also be gone. So to prevent that, it is important to choose a cloud storage that is stable and that is in the field and the market for quite a long time. So pCloud is one such company that I can totally trust with. So they have 500 GB and 2 terabyte plan for initially. If you're a kind of a user who have less amount of requirement, you don't have to go for the 2 TB storage. You can always upgrade in future, like in next year or after that, when there is an offer. So right now the 500 GB plan comes around $122 for lifetime. You are going to make one-time payment of $122.50. So this will definitely be a worthy option if you are planning for a cloud storage. And 2 terabyte comes out double the cost of what 500 GB. So it is still cheaper. But if you have friends or family members whom you want to share your cloud storage with, then this plan will definitely be useful. So similar to what I have suggested to you for Clean My Mac 5-user license, if you have trusted friends in your circle who can store their files within that 500 GB option, then they may consider this 2 terabyte option, where you can share between 2 people or 4 people and save huge while purchasing the 2 terabyte plan. And in future, if you want, you can upgrade the storage as well whenever there is an offer. So right now it's your time. You have to decide which application you want that meets your requirement, so that you can save huge during this Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal. If you find this video useful, you may share a word about it by sharing this in Twitter or Facebook. We'll see you in the next video with some useful topic. Thanks for watching and your patience. Have a wonderful day.